Sup, Gomloiks? And this is what I'm doing with my birds and no, quit. No, you can't have that. And they like treats. You want it? Yeah. Come over here and get it. Yes, now over by the camera. Yes, that's what the public likes. Oh, need a doggy world. Need a minute hour. 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 Well, yes, you love eating this stuff because you are young. Eat it. Eat it now. Going to do with you, oh yeah, birds love that. Okay, and that's how you get going to like Wario. And now they're just gonna stand there and do nothing. Wario stare at my hat. Wario is going to do a thing. Look at the camera. That's a no. Now quit. This is very cringe worthy. You mean cringe? No, come here. Yeah. All you see is their feet. No, get away from the camera. Scoot back. No. Scoot back. Now look. No, nothing. What are you doing? Did I win? Did I beat the game? Are you done? Are you done? Okay, I think we're done here. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more of Wario's birds, and yeah, that's what they do. They eat grass.